Hey guys, welcome back. It is one of my favorite items of the month. It is DEK sub box time. I can't wait to see what's in here. Okay. Buy all these lovely tokens. September days are here with summer's best of weather and autumn's best of cheer. Helen Hunt Jackson. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. Ooh, we have things. Okay. What are all of these things? Okay. We have washi with rose gold foil. Alright, so this one's a floral, and then there's a brown one in the middle, and then we've got like a red plaid. Those are cool. And we've got a black gel pen. I think they're always the same. It's the same. Yeah, I believe life is always colorful. So the one we got this month is black. I think I have a blue and a green. That's been like a new thing lately. What is this? This is heavy. Why are you heavy? What are you? Come out of your package. What is this thing? There we go. That was easier. What are you? It's like crocodile. What do? Do you fold? Oh. Oh. Magnet. Bookmark. Oh, that's neat. And pretty. That's cool. Okay. My sticky notes are back. Just breathe. I like that. I did miss the sticky notes very much. Okay, and that's our sub box kit, and this is our monthly kit, and this is extras, and this is our like months and stuff. And we've got paper. Okay, we have paper. So this, I think, goes this way. And that's pretty flowers on a red background. And then we've got kind of a cream, light greenish kind of plaid going. And we've got green stripes and green leaves. And now we have red leaf vellum. I had the best idea earlier after unboxing something else for what to do with all this vellum. It's going to be great. So now we've got green, kind of like diamond pattern, and more florals. I like these florals very much. And then we've got red brick. That's the last one. And then we've got a scene, and this is the same scene on those sticky notes. I do believe. I've actually not opened this, so yes, it is the same. Same scene, which you guys can't see because I put that up too high. There we go. Same scene on the sticky notes. That's cool. So yeah, I thought of a really cool thing to do with the vellum, so look for that video in the somewhat near future. It's really a matter of how long does it take me to film things. And lately it's taken me a long time to film things, so I'm currently batching large volumes of content right now. It is very late at night. Little planners should not be awake this late at night. So spots for this will open up like the last week of the month. So if you like what you see, you need to go and subscribe. But you can't subscribe until we tell you spots are open. Spots are limited. There are only X number of them per month. And if you put my name in the notes to seller box, because you can't use the discount code, then you get a freebie. Hello September, and this is on that like plaid that we were looking at before, and that's in rose gold foil. And now we've got more stuff with this like clear iridescent prismatic overlay type deal. So this is like books, vases, there's a cake. Oh, more of them. So this is 2 twin loop planners. And This one is, not sure, ottoman with a blanket. And I recognize the dress in the background. I have no idea what that is supposed to be on top of it. Can't make it out because of the overlay. And we've got a candle and something you hang on the wall, needlepoint, and a match. And we've got, ooh, this would be good in bullet journal. Bullet journal. We got a little September, rose gold foil, and we've got a habit tracker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you could track it for 9 days. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 habits. That's cool. I like those. I have to stop ripping the packaging. Okay. So now this is our Septembers and the little swashes to put them on if you want, and little decorative boxes and little like torn corners and dots, you know, the patterns from the paper and stuff. And then you've got some little fall themed desktops. Okay, and let's look at the monthly kit. So I'm likely filming the monthlies right after this. Okay, so here's our like add-ons. So you've got September the 2022, a whole bunch of little floral deco, bill due, payday, rent, mortgage, bill dues. So useful stuff there. And then this is the left side and the right side. So you could put September here, you could put 2022 here. We've got our date dots, corners, some washi strips down here. And we've got currentlies and more bill dues. We've got books, the dress, vase of flowers, more vases, that looks like a sweater, road trip, birthday, party, farmer's market, birthday, currently reading, listening. Oh, these all say currently listening. That's weird. Okay. And I think it goes this way. Okay, so we've got this sidebar with this like kitchen background, 2 little header boxes, and then these boxes are meant to fill up empty spaces in your monthly calendar where there aren't dates. And then if there are extras, you have extra boxes. So that is the monthly kit that comes with the sub box. There's also the monthly kit on the website, which is a favorite of mine, and the separate purchase wacky holidays for every month. So I already have September here waiting to be filmed with this one, and I have October and November hopefully will be up this month. I haven't seen it yet. I keep looking for it, so I am assuming it will appear soon, but I have not seen it yet. Okay, so now we've got the main event, the sub box kit, and this is usually quite huge. And it feels quite huge, so I think it is. Alright. Let's get this centered on here. Okay, so here's your first 9 boxes, and you have 3 small, like appointment type boxes at the bottom. And here's your next 9 boxes. And 3 little headers at the bottom. Let me move this. This is in the way. Well, alright, at least the big one is in the way. Right, okay. There we are. Okay. So we've got this cool kitchen scene again. Candles. I think that's needlepoint over here. Camera and pictures. Sweater and boots. Painting. The watercolor. Little shelves. Books. I love the books. And now we've got the flags and the half circles and the work stickers and the bows. And they're all foiled. And then we've got decorative boxes and functional boxes and habit trackers. And then we've got these little hexagons with bows, hearts, and stars in them. And then we've got our date dots and their usual words here. And we've got headers and glitter strips, 3 heart checklists. There's a banner here. There's 3 different little flags here in each color. There's a weekend banner. You got 3 heart checklists, 6 heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, and all the decorative swashies down there. And then you've got another banner and 3 more flags in this kind of, what is this, like a camel color? And now we've got the kit days of the week, the little decorative arch, sparkly hexagons, and then we've got washi. So we've got washi that looks like wood, and then we've got washi in that green plaid. I really like that. And the colors in this kit are great. So now here's 4 more weeks of day covers, and they're all the same font. That's weird. They're usually different fonts. These are all the same. Okay. But they are all different patterns. So you've got the wood, you've got the green plaid, you've got the lighter, like cream colored plaid, and you've got that pretty red floral. So you've got 5 weeks worth of day covers in this kit. You've got the doodle boxes, the fake sticky notes, these little boxes that look like they've been stitched, more doodle boxes, and yeah, there's 2 things stuck together. And then we've got this sheet of decorative stickers, and we've got another sheet of decorative stickers and people. So if you like people, that's a good sheet for you. So that is everything in this kit, this sub box. Let's look at the washi real quick. I did not open it, obviously, or put it in my book, and my book is not where I can get it right now, so we'll just swatch it onto something else. That's all the washi, and here they are on the roll again. So we got 3 rolls of washi, all this paper, and the vellum. Huge sticker kit. It's like 11 pages or something. It's just massive. When do you ever get 18 full boxes? Never. Sticky notes. Whole monthly kit. Lots of plastic bags. Black pen. This cool magnet thing that I'm gonna have to figure out. And all of these decorative stickers that go with everything, and then all of these extras. And hello September. So this is like, I don't know, after shipping and everything, it's like 40 bucks. That's a really good deal. I get a lot of subscriptions. This is the best deal of them all, really. Maybe Archer and Olive is close. Depends on what's in the box. This is the best, though, every month, consistently. The absolute best. So, if you're interested, make sure you're following me here. Follow me on Instagram. Watch the community tab. Watch my Instagram posts. And as soon as sub-box spots are open, I will let you know. If you put Cordelia in the notes to seller, or feedback to seller, or there's some box where you can type something to them, put Cordelia in there and you will get a freebie. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.